our problem is solved. That is the reason why I encourage myself, a lot of women, to come together to network and create platforms in their cities so that forward networks can be made. Second, and a very, very critical thing, is why get into this entire movement of Swadeshi. Let me also tell you that there was a time when there was a need to look at the rural market and the entire corporate network saw the rural market with the eyes or lenses of CSR, corporate social responsibility. So it was mere responsibility for us. It was important that we look at a rural market because that needs to be in my portfolio as well. I need to do something for my village. I need to give back to the society. So I will go back and then start looking for something where I can give back my skill set, my money, and so on and so forth. Most often than not, आप में से बहुत सारे लोगों ने सुना होगा, मुझे अपने गांव वालों के लिए, मुझे अपने वीवर्स के लिए, मुझे अपने हाथ से काम करने वालों लोगों के लिए, कारखानों के लिए कुछ करना है, तो क्या करूं? तो चेक साइन करके दे दूं. This is what is check philanthropy. But please understand that that era has gone. It has vanished. Today is the time where markets have captured the urban areas. So market will shift towards the rural areas. Market will look towards newer areas. They will look for newer products. अब मांग स्वदेशी की होगी. इसीलिए आज तक जो मार्केट आपने देखा है, अब से वो मार्केट अलग होने वाला है. And that is the reason why I feel, and I can guarantee you, that each one of you is in the right business at the right time. And this is extremely critical for success, just being present at the right time, at the right place, in the right sector. I'm an entrepreneur, and I can vouch for the fact that timing for any sector is very, very critical. आज जब हम anti-China एक फीलिंग, एक सेंटिमेंट अक्रॉस द ग्लोब देख रहे हैं, आज हमारे देश में इट इज नॉट अबाउट एंटी चाइना, इट इज अबाउट स्वदेशी, इट्स अबाउट आत्मनिर्भरता. तो इसीलिए वी नीड टू कन्वर्ट दिस एंटी वॉट एवर विच इज अ नेगेटिव सेंटिमेंट टू अ पॉजिटिव सेंटिमेंट. बट उसके लिए आपके पास प्रोडक्ट्स होने जरूरी है, उसके लिए आपके पास नेटवर्क होना जरूरी है, और उसके लिए आपके पास फंडिंग होना जरूरी है. So these three things are very, very critical. I would also want to talk about funding requirements. आज ही के दिन पहली बार मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ टेक्सटाइल ने एक पोर्टल की स्थापना की है, और मैं चाहूंगी कि as we, as an association, as a network, you need to, of course, individually you can do it, but as a network also, you should go back and register yourself on this portal. Second is, जैसे आज तक हॉलमार्क मार्क गोल्ड पे होता था, अब से हैंडलूम, ओरिजिनल हैंडलूम का भी मार्क होने लगेगा. So there is going to be a mark for handloom, and that mark has been released today. So that will give authenticity to your products. And this is the thinking of the government sitting on the top. कि किसी भी हालत में हमें अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को, अपने सर्विसेज को और हाथ कामगार को काम पहुंचाना है और नेटवर्क को उनसे जोड़ना है. Last but not the least, I have been talking about funding. There are multiple systems, schemes, सरकार की योजनाएं which are specifically applicable for women entrepreneurs. I'm sure Chaitali ji will be able to suggest a lot of options for all of you in the network. But more importantly, remember a couple of things. As a woman entrepreneur, आज बैंक आपको लोन देने में ज्यादा प्रेफरेंस देता है. Yes, प्राइवेट फंडिंग, VC फंडिंग, एंजल फंडिंग, ये आज भी आपके लिए थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है, क्योंकि जिस VC फंड या जिस फंड मैनेजर से आप बात करने जाते हैं, उस क्षेत्र में केवल 7% महिलाएं हैं. लेकिन बैंकिंग क्षेत्र में आज ये एस्टैब्लिश फैक्ट है कि 98% ऑफ द लोन्स गिवन टू वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स आर रिटर्न्ड बैक, एंड दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई फ्रॉम द टॉप इट इज ड्रिवन by the mere fact of business that more loans should be given to women. And इसीलिए जब आप जाएं तो अपना सिबिल लेके जाएं, हक से मांगे, चाहे छोटा हो बिजनेस या बड़ा हो. आप please ensure that you have a credit limit with a bank. You are second, you take some credit. There is in India today, we are only 5% women are taking formal loans from the bank. And unfortunately, only 16% women are saving with the bank. So we need to get financial inclusion. आप सब business में हैं, I'm sure you are saving, you have a bank account, but please get your papers right. Please do not get scared for or by taking loans. So do that. You have Mudra loan which is available. So Mudra loan, यदि आपको कहीं पर भी मुद्रा लोन लेने में कठिनाई होती है, आप चैताली जी से कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. I will work very, very closely with Chaitali ji to ensure that you can get a Mudra loan from the bank. Second, आत्मनिर्भर योजना के तहत बहुत सारे SMEs के loans आज सैंक्शन हुए हैं, जिसमें आपके क्रेडिट लिमिट से लेकर, यदि आप SME सर्टिफिकेट आपके पास है और यदि नहीं है तो आप SME करके रजिस्टर कीजिए. Because most of the handlooms, whether you are trading, you are manufacturing, you are selling or marketing, either of it, you are going to be falling in an SME sector. So please get yourself registered as an SME. Do not get scared with these paperwork, because all in all, you people are entrepreneurs. And it is important to understand that for an entrepreneur, business comes first, structures and systems come second. क्योंकि आप जब तक structured तौर पे business नहीं करेंगी, तब तक आप इस business को scale नहीं कर पाएंगे. और तीसरी चीज जो मैं आप लोगों को बताना चाहती हूँ वो ये है कि आप कुछ भी पढ़ी हो या कुछ भी नहीं पढ़ी हो, it is fine, but वापस जाकर घर बैठे टैली का कोर्स कीजिए ताकि आप टैली के ऊपर अपना एक प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस स्टेटमेंट बना सकें. यू शुड नो योर बिजनेस, कहां से आप खरीदती हैं, कहां से आप बेचती हैं और आप कितने पैसे बनाती हैं. एवरी बिजनेस नीड्स टू बी called a business when it makes money. So the focus should be to make money, and that is very, very critical. इसलिए बहुत सारी महिलाएं फाइनेंसेस से डर जाती हैं. आप बिल्कुल भी फाइनेंसेस से नहीं डरिए और अपने आप टैली सीखते हुए प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस स्टेटमेंट बनाइए. अंत में I think all I'm going to talk about is coming back to Atmanirbhar Bharat and the fact that handlooms is the future. Why you feel, why we all feel that handlooms is the future is because today people are going towards natural living. People want something which is very close to the nature. People want that आज इतना ऐश आराम घर बार होते हुए आज पिछले 6 महीनों से हम अपने घर के दरवाजों में बंद हैं. आपस में इतना प्रेम होते हुए फिर भी ये जायज नहीं है कि हम एक दूसरे से मिलते हुए ये एग्जीबिशन कर सकें. So this exhibition has also turned virtual. So this is the time, especially in 2020, people have realized that actually you have to respect nature. You need to get as natural into your living style as you can be. And there can be nothing more natural than handicraft and handloom. Something which is very close to nature, something which is made by hand and which is delivered with all the love and sweat of a few people who are your weavers. So I feel that this time, this 2020 is going to give us, आज बहुत पैसा होते हुए भी शायद कहीं ना कहीं हमें लग रहा है कि हम बाहर नहीं जा सकते, घूम नहीं सकते, we can't go for a vacation with our kids and so on and so forth. आज लोगों को सेहत के ऊपर खर्च करने में बिल्कुल भी कतई भी एक पैसा भी कोई सोच नहीं रहा है. इसी तरीके से preventive health is something which is going to do very well, and that is the reason why I feel anything related to handmade soaps, handmade aromas, handmade jewelry is going to do extremely well. And that is why I told you, Congratulations once again, because you people have worked hard and are in the right sector today. And it is very, very critical, because this sector is what is going to give India and the world its future. You can lead the change, and that is something that I would request the entire platform to take up as a communication, as an education, and as a mission to ensure that it reaches to each and every Indian that anything natural, anything which is handmade is a piece of love. And especially if it is done by women, they add their intent, their whole mamatva jise main kehti hu, the motherly intent of love and care, and send it across to you as products. So let's be natural. Let's enjoy the business that we are all in. Let's thank God that we belong to a country where every 30 kilometers we see a new art form. Let's just celebrate the fact that we still have a few people left who love to work through their hands and give dedicated time and sweat to ensure that a wonderful piece of art is not only preserved, but is converted into a commercial piece of product which I can flaunt either in my ear or in my dress or in as a stole, you know. And that is the beauty of art. If you can't show it, and you will not be able to sell it, and if you do not sell it, it will only die. So thank you so much, Chaitali ji, for having me here. I am going to stop by saying these wonderful lines which I was taught when I was very, very young. When I was a young girl, my father used to tell me, "Tum Rajni ki chand banogi ya din ki martand prakhar." Rajni is Raat, or Chand, you know. Raat ka Chand is very soothing. It's beautiful, you know. Romantic कविताएं लिखी जाती है उसके ऊपर. तो तुम रजनी की चांद बनोगी या दिन की मार्तंड प्रखर. मार्तंड is सूरज. तो दिन की सूरज बनने वाली हो या रात की रजनी चांद बनने वाली हो. एक बात है मुझे पूछनी, फूल बनोगी या पत्थर. नकली क्रीम फुल कंघी से नकली रूप सजाओगी या असली तेज लहू का आनंद पर चमकाओगी. Which means that anything which is artificial does not add to your beauty. You actually have to add that brightness to your soul. Asli tej lahu ka, which means if it gets into your blood. And remember, handloom and handicraft, both are in our blood, especially in Indian blood. So use that, and most importantly, tell people around you and spread the message of this beauty and this love. And I think this platform is perfect to do that. So thank you so much for having me here. Thank you so much for doing something like this. And I'm so looking forward to hearing from each one of you. If there is anything that you require from the ministry's end, from Smriti ji's end, and if there is anything that you require at a group level, I'll be more than happy to assist. Thank you so much once again. Thank you, Chaitali ji.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks a lot for coming over here again and supporting from the beginning. The we have started from the beginning. You are there always. Whenever I requested, you have always come here to help and support us. So definitely we'll be in touch with you for further to take this. I mean, I will tell you later on. Also, we have a lot of things coming up. New things are coming up, which maybe in the next event we will be announcing. So thank you so much, ma'am. And ladies, and I think there are some gentlemen as well over here. So there is one more surprise for you all. There is with us Archana Kocherji. So,
hi everybody. Hi everybody. I'm so happy to be here, Chaitali.
Thank you, Archana. Thanks a lot. And this is a surprise to all my entrepreneurs. Nobody knows that you are supposed to come today. Thank you so much for coming, Archana.
Yes, it's absolutely my pleasure. And I think we have a lot of entrepreneurs here. And what I'd like to speak about is that, we as entrepreneurs, all of us are going through actually, like a challenging, difficult time right now, where a lot of us, are wondering and, questioning ourselves often that when will things actually get back to normal? Will they ever get back to normal? When will we, so a lot of people are going through the stress of that whole thing. So what I'd like to address is that, right now is actually, we've never been given a time off in our lives. So right now if you look at it in another direction, we have right now a time where we can invest in learning. So, whichever trade we are in, whichever line we are in, so often we think that, somebody's better than us because they knew something, or we want to consolidate because we've run so fast in our life and achieved so much that we've been so busy, getting, so many of our accolades together. So I think this is the best time to consolidate, and the best time to even today work every single day, even though, the things are, there are no customers as such in the market. There are very few customers, but they will come and things will get back to normal. And we have to believe that, and we have to put our strongest foot forward when they get back to normal. So I think it's an amazing time right now for all of us to invest in new learnings, and in consolidating our present, enterprises as entrepreneurs, and in investing ourselves in remaining, in having a positive mindset. So this is what I'd like to say, because I have a lot of my friends, and everybody's question is always, everybody is so worried. So we have to work and get out of that worry and make ourselves stronger, because, we are women entrepreneurs, and what we do is every stone that's thrown towards us, we take it and we make it one of the stones of our castle, and that becomes a castle eventually. So we know how to turn every adversity into an opportunity, and that's what we have to do. So that's all that I'd like to say. So thank you so much, and thank you for inviting me to join, Chaitali, and I'm very happy to have joined today. So all the best to everybody. Have a great, wonderful day.
Thank you so much, Archana, for coming in and just, if possible, be here for some time and see what our women have over here to showcase.
Sure. I'll be there for some time.
So now let's start. I'm extremely excited to see the exclusive products that our women entrepreneurs have today to showcase. Some of the online rules request you all to please kindly mute yourself. Exhibitors will be given 5 to 7 minutes, and you will show your products and talk about them. Attendees, I request you to kindly take your pen and paper so that you don't forget the name of the exhibitor and the product, because at the end I will be taking up queries from you, and we will be also sharing you the feedback forms, which I'll be posting on the chat box at the end. Exhibitors need to write their names and contact details on the chat box after presentation. So let me welcome first is Sanskruti Pandya from Sanduk. She is into handmade jewelries. Sanskruti, can we please have you? And next, Seema Suman, please be ready.
Hello. Hello, everyone. Good evening, everyone.
Hi, Sanskruti.
Hi. I'm Sanskruti from Sanduk. Actually, I have handmade jewelry products. I have lots of varieties in this kind of terracotta, marbles, stones, um, and oxidize, and so many things are there. Wooden is also there, but today is a handloom day, so I want to stick with the theme with the fabric jewelry, which I made from different kind of fabrics, kind of khan, for dhabu print, from cotton, from so many different things, and that cotton balls also we use for jewelry. So I want to present my some jewelry products, so you can have a little bit of idea. See, these are the necklaces made with a fabric which is dhabu print, which is washable. You can use it again and again, just because we are not using a cardboard inside it, so you can wash it, you can pin it, you can use it with other things also, multi-purpose. Girls are somewhere sometimes use, the young girls who bought from me use like as a kamarband also. Matlab, it's up to you, people are doing by themselves. And this is also something like temple jewelry with fabric. And we have made this kind of small fabric necklaces for small girls. This one is wooden theme. This is nothing something unique, but it's a simple but sweet. And This is terracotta. This one is. This one is terracotta, and that is made by our local potters. They are helping me. जो हमारे पास में जो मटके बनाने वाले जो एक एरिया में है लोग हैं, वो हम मुझे हेल्प करते हैं. पहले वो कन्विंस नहीं हो रहे थे, बट धीरे धीरे मैंने कन्विंस किया, और नाउ दे आर द master in this. They are doing very well job. Now they are making this kind of small western collection also. Basically terracotta जो होता है वो traditional होता है, but we have tried something new. I have wore earrings also, and this is the necklaces. This is the, I have used cotton balls in this with oxidize. And yes, I have one more thing which is made with a twisted rope. This is the necklace made with a twisted rope. Rope is basically, in a simple word, I can say a nada, which we use day-to-day use. And उसको मैंने थोड़ा स्टार्च करके थोड़ा कड़क बना के उसको सिल्क थ्रेड जो अपने जो नॉर्मल जो धागे होते हैं उससे रैप करके ये पूरा ये डिजाइन किया हुआ है. इसमें भी बहुत सारे अलग अलग वैरायटीज है. This is also again terracotta. I want to show my artist artwork. This is 3D work. They are basically making only simple matkas and diyas. अब वो लोग ये भी बनाते हैं, मतलब 3D पूरा वर्क वो लोग कर पा रहे हैं, मतलब इतने वो लोग एक्सपर्ट हो चुके हैं. आई एम रियली वेरी हैप्पी विद देयर वर्क. और एवरी टाइम दे आर गिविंग मी समथिंग न्यू. मैं उनको एक डिजाइन देती हूँ, उसमें से इतना बेस्ट करके देते हैं कि आई एम रियली हैप्पी विद देम. एंड यस, दिस इज समथिंग विद अ मार्बल. दिस इज द मार्बल पीसेस जो हमारे एंड ऑफ द आर एरिया एक मार्बल का छोटा सा वर्कशॉप है जहाँ पे वो लोग मार्बल के जो हम लोग नॉर्मली ये लोग यूज करते हैं बड़े बड़े पत्थर, उसमें से टुकड़े बचते थे, उनमें से उन लोगों ने स्टार्टिंग में मुझे छोटे छोटे बना के दिए. देन दे हैव हेल्प मी अ लॉट. अगेन फिर उन लोग को एक उनके पास एक आर्टिस्ट है, वो मुझे डेकोपेज करके देता है. सो एंड आई मेड द रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स विद दिस थिंग्स. एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो अगेन मार्बल में भी बहुत सारे वेराइटीज है. सो एक्चुअली देखा जाए तो मुझे मेरे आसपास के ही जो लोग हैं वो बहुत हेल्प करते हैं. मटके वाला है, फिर हमारे पास में एक लेडी है जो टेलरिंग का काम करती है, वो मुझे फैब्रिक ज्वेलरी का बेस बना के देती है. बिकॉज एवरी टाइम हाथ से बनाना इज रियली वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी. स्टार्टिंग में हो पाता था सब कुछ, जब 2-4 चीजें बनती थी, फिर अगेन इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. सो दे लेडीज आर ऑल्सो हेल्पिंग मी. And yes, I have some other varieties also I would like to show you. These are the earrings. These are also made by the ladies only. See, these are their craft works. This is also the things. See, these are also very beautiful things. And this is the terracotta earrings. These are also made by my potters. I can say artist now because they are doing a very well job. And see, these are the some varieties, more varieties. This is the made with cotton balls. This is also again a twisted rope. And this is fabric with stones. This is also again fabric. This is kachi work. This is a marble. This is also again made with a brocade. And this is khan work. This is a kachi work again. ये प्योर कॉटन में से बना है. This is a marble again. And yes, these are the varieties of this. This is also something different fabric. This is also different. This is the one piece of a stone. I just want to show you my work. That's why. And these are the small necklaces for small girls. We have used so many different fabrics. See. And I'm going to share my contact and the details chat box. So please feel free to connect with me. I'm working from home, so 24/7 I'm available, and I'm a little bit of crazy towards my work. So you can connect with me anytime, midnight too. Also, I'm also available. So yes, feel free to contact with me. I'm sharing my details. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Sanskruti. And yes, definitely, I have spoken to you at night 2 o'clock also. Okay. So I hope you remember this necklace, which is I have purchased from you. It's beautiful, very beautiful. So thank you, Sanskriti. So next we have Seema Suman from Truly Mithila.
Yeah.
Beautiful Madhubani painted products she has. Seema, can we please have you?
मैम, मेरा नाम सीमा सुमन है और मैं हैंड पेंटेड मधुबनी आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट को डील करती हूँ और मैं बेसिकली बिहार से बिलोंग करती हूँ, इसके लिए मुझे ये पर्सनली मैं ये काम करती हूँ। ये हैंड पेंटेड मधुबनी दुपट्टा तसर सिल्क के ऊपर रॉ सिल्क पूरे हाथ से बना है। फुली हैंड पेंटेड। ये हैंड पेंटेड ब्लाउज पीस तो बैक साइड में आएगा, ये स्लीव्स के ऊपर ये भी ब्लाउज पीस है, हैंड पेंटेड मधुबनी 1.5 मीटर। हैंड पेंटेड दुपट्टा, कॉटन दुपट्टा। एक्चुअली कपड़ों के साथ
Seema, we are not able to see you. Hello, Seema.
मैंने कुछ हैंड पेंटेड अम्ब्रेला,
सीमा, हम आपको नहीं देख पा रहे हैं। सीमा, हेलो।
हाँ हेलो,
हाँ सीमा, हमको वी आर नॉट एबल टू सी यू। सीमा, आपका वीडियो ऑन नहीं है शायद।
दीदी ऑन है।
Maybe her Wi-Fi connection must be giving up, na?
दीदी ऑन है लेकिन पता नहीं नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है।
Maybe network or problem. So you can probably shift to somebody else and maybe you can go back to her later on or something like that.
Okay.
Yes, yes. So next we have Moni Lal from Jaipur. Moni, are you there? She's from Jaipur. Okay, we can come with Shimul Bhatt. Shimul Bhatt.
Yeah.
J. Jodha Impex. Yeah.
Yeah. This is Shimul from J. Jodha Impex, and I have home decor products. I'm very much thankful to Chaitali and truly believe what Shweta ma'am and Archana ma'am says, that vocal for local and Atmanirbhar Bharat, I support them. And so I'm going to show you today a very few selective pieces which I have bought from the artisans of Rajasthan. This is a very beautiful indigo quilt cum bedspread. You can see this. It is bedspread cum quilt, machine washable, and the color is very much fast. It is fully reversible. In the reverse size also, there is an indigo print like this. So I would like to say just a few lines about indigo. Indigo is the dye which is made from the plants, and it is the made from the leaves of the plants which is getting fermented. So the green leaves converts into the blue dye. So you can see that so much hard work of the artisans are there in this, and it is very much time consuming also. I have the same matching bedsheet also for the same, so we can get the full matching set also of the indigo. I have many prints in the indigo designs. Also, there is one more print, which is a Bagru print. This print actually has been introduced by the Chipa community in the Bagru village of the Rajasthan. It is generally made from the dust and the sand. So it is always in the brownish color. So it is very beautiful. Again, the bedspread comes quilt, full double bed, and this contains inside 120 GSM fiber, so it is machine washable. You can see this, it is a very beautiful one. Again, this is reversible. In the reversible screen. So both the way, if you are getting bored with this design, you can, just change over and you can use this design. The best USP of this is this all are machine washable and very, very nicely, and it depicts the culture of our Rajasthan. Also, the third variety is the hand block one, which is always my USP. It is a very classy piece. It is a hand block with the gold print, and it is fully hand stitched. You can see the minute stitches of this. It is the comforter, double bed comforter, with a very nice border of elephants. You can see this. Yeah, it is very much minutely done. And this USP is that it is very much lightweight. So it is very much popular in the NRIs also. So the NRI customers always prefer this because of lightweight, and it depicts the heritage of India. Also, I do have the hand block bed sheets like this. This all are made from the wooden blocks, and this all are the queen sizes, and it is a double bed sheet with 2 pillow covers. Also, I do have the batik design. You can see this batik print. So I do have batik also. Then we have sanganeri. You can see this. These all are the hand block bed sheets with the different color combinations. And these all are very subtle and sober colors. And these all are the sanganeri prints. It looks like the patchwork. And one more is the hand block quilt. This is also the hand block quilt. It is bedspread come quilt again, and it is machine washable. Even you can see the stitches which has been made over here and the blocks. It is a very beautiful Bhuta blocks with the flowers. So this all are there. Even I do have the comforters. These are the single bed comforter. You can see that it is like a khadi print, and this is also very much in lightweight. It is a single one. So nowadays, if people don't want double because everyone has a space problem in their houses, so then they go for this single comforters. It is also very much lightweight, and this is also the reversible one. Both the way you can use this. So in that also I do have a varieties like this. And there's a very nice color. It's an English blue color. You can see this. And also I do have dohars of the hand blocks. Then very beautiful piece of mandala print. This is also very nice color, and this all are the color fast, and it is machine washable mandala, which increases the focus and it helps in yoga too. So, and these are the dohars of hand block. These are with the gold print. And I have many more varieties of katha and all, but at present I'm unable to show this in such a short span of time. So my number is 9820772790. You can follow me on FB and Insta as J Jodas Impacts. And thank you very much again, Chaitali, and all the women entrepreneurs for this on Handloom Day. I wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Shimul. So let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, Shimul, also the products of Shimul and Sanskruti, all products are available at www.e-online.com. v-online.com is the e-commerce platform. As you know, we are also moving towards Atmanirbhar Bharat. Okay. So next, Seema, are you ready with your products? Can we see you, Seema? Are you there?
Yes, I'm okay with.
Okay, now it's very clear. Yes, now you can show. And next, Rakhi, I would request Rakhi to be ready after Seema.
Hand painted sari, raw silk, Bengali theme. Hand painted, fully hand painted sari, raw silk. This is Kallu. Dress material, cotton dress material. Hand painted jacket, both sides of painted hand. Hand painted bag, fully hand painted. Cotton dress material. T-shirt, hand painted. Hand painted cotton. Hand painted bag. जूट के ऊपर ये बना हुआ है. Hand painted mustard color साड़ी raw silk के ऊपर. Fully hand painted. Hand painted clutch. और बहुत सारी चीजें जो हैंड पेंटेड मेरे पास सारे मधुबनी के हैंड पेंटेड सिल्क से लेकर 500 से लेकर आपको 2000. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Seema. Let me tell you, people, Seema is also our core member. And this is what I have worn, this dupatta. This is the Madhubani dupatta, which I have purchased from Seema. I hope you remember, Seema, your dupatta.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay. And Shimul's bedsheets also I have used. So all the products are available on v-online.com. So next we have Rakhi. She is AJ Jewelries. Deval Jewels is her brand. And post Rakhi, I will request Sharmishta Banerjee from Kolkata. Please be ready. Rakhi, are you there? Hello? Can we see you, Rakhi? Rakhi, we can't hear you.
Unmute. She's talking, but she has to unmute.
You have to unmute, Rakhi. And ladies, please don't go away after you finish because we have some more surprise like Archana. Okay? Rakhi, can we see you, please? Your voice is, we are not able to hear you, Rakhi.
Hello.
Now we can hear you, yes.
Okay, hi, this is Rakhi Juvrajka, founder of Table Jewels. And I customize a lot of jewelries. I have got Facebook and Instagram page by the name of Table Jewels. And I've been into this field for last 10 years. So I would like to showcase you some of my products. This is a real jewelry, customized. So since the gold prices got high, people come to me for customization. So these are all old jewelries. I've clubbed it and used culture pearls and gave a new statement piece. And this is a replica of real tennis bracelets. So it's affordable yet looks real. And these are all small baguette earrings. This is a replica of Kundan danglers inspired by bird. And these are again danglers, which is a replica of real jewelry. So this is a western neck piece in which I have used baroques, and it can be paired with any western and traditional outfits. And I'm basically have specialized into semi-precious stone malas. So according to client's budget, I make it one line, double line, 3 layers with the earrings or non-earrings. So again, I would like to show you one client's gold pendant, which we have used khaka moti and 3 pendants together. It was different, and we have clubbed it together and gave a statement piece. This is a Victorian look choker set. It's very light and delicate. I deal into many semi-precious stone malas in many colors. And this is the pendant. I've used many different color of fabrics. It can be paired with any Western outfits. So I deal into many Afghani designer neck pieces also. I make it in different colors. So thank you all. I just mentioned my details on chat, and please follow my page on Facebook and Instagram by the name of Table Jewels.
Thank you, Rakhi, so much. So now I see you will also get Rakhi's. I have also purchased from Rakhi as well. You will also find Rakhi's jewelries in v-online.com. Okay. So next we have Sharmishta Banerjee from Kolkata, all the way from Kolkata. Welcome, Sharmishta.
Thank you, Chaitali. Thank you very much for such a great program today. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone.
Hello, all are unmuted. Hello, hello from everyone. Yeah.
Hello, everyone. I'm Sharmishta Banerjee. Can you see me all?
We can see you. We can hear you as well, Sharmishta.
But I can't see myself in the screen. That's why asking. Okay, hello. I'm Sharmishta Banerjee from Kolkata. My online store name is Arshi Online Store. So on this very special handloom day, I have a wide range of handloom sarees. So let's start with my own state, West Bengal. This is Bengal Jamdani sari. This is Bengal Jamdani sari. All over butta you can find in it. You can find in it all over butta, and the pallu is hand woven with zari. The pallu is hand woven with zari. You can find so many colors in this. You can find so many colors in this. Internet connection is disturbing. Okay. I hope you all can see this.
Can see you very clearly. Don't worry. You carry on.
Okay. Next. This is also Bengal handloom sari. Bengal handloom pure cotton sari. All over design is hand woven. You can find hand woven design all over the sari, and the pallu will be like this. Some khicha work is done in the pallu. This is the sari. Ganga Jamuna border is there. One side orange and one side you will find pink border. Okay, this is also pure Bengal handloom cotton sari. You can also find many other colors in this variety also. This is linen, handloom linen sari. Again, Ganga Jamuna border, you will find one side orange and one side pink. And this is the pallu. This is hand woven work. This is hand woven work. And all over butta is there. All over butta is there. This is a linen sari. All these saris have blouse piece with them. All these saris have blouse piece with them. Only the Jamdanis do not have blouse piece with it. Okay. This is linen sari. This is linen sari. Now this is Bhagalpur handloom. This is Bhagalpur handloom sari.
এয়ারটেলের ওকে কত কি বলে দিল ফাক ফাক বলে মেয়েটা বলল দিস ইজ বিং রেকর্ডেড আই ওয়ান্ট ইট টু বি রেকর্ডেড উফ
You can find this is Bhagalpur handloom tasar and this is ghicha tasar. In the pallu is ghicha tasar. Pallu is ghicha tasar and the body is maroon colored Bhagalpur handloom tasar. And the blouse piece is this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Okay, this is Bhagalpuri handloom sari. Okay. This is linen. This is also linen sari with zari border both sides. Pure golden color. Pure golden color. And in the pallu, you will also find zari work. Zari stripe will find in the pallu. Beautiful golden zari linen tissue sari. This is also one linen sari with hand woven work in the pallu. Fully hand woven work in the pallu. The body is plain yellow colored and the pallu is black and hand woven work is there. And the blouse piece is also black colored. This is the body. This is the body of the sari. Both sides have black border and the body is yellow and the pallu is black and hand-woven work is there. This is hand-woven. This is Bengal handloom. Both side you have zari work. Both side you have zari work, hand-woven zari work. And the pallu is also hand-woven zari work. Pallu has also hand-woven zari work, and the body is like this. This light color body, and this is the sari. This is the body, and this is the pallu. All these saris have blouse piece with them. All these saris have blouse piece with them. This is also Bhagalpuri handloom. Bhagalpuri handloom sari. Very smart color, charcoal color body, and the pallu is ghicha. The pallu is ghicha. Pure handloom pallu. This is the body and this is the pallu. And the blouse piece is again in stripe. Okay. This is handloom sequence sari. All over you will find sequence in this sari. Bengal handloom sari, or you will find sequence all over. This is woven, not stick. So it will not come out. And in the pallu you will find zari work. In the pallu you will find zari work. You will find sequence work throughout the sari. Okay. My time is over, Chaitali. Hello.
Yes, Sharmishta, your time is over.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Wonderful presentation by you. And next, ladies and gentlemen, we have another surprise for you today. So we have, ma'am, please come online. Let people see you. Nandita, ma'am. Hello. So we have Nandita Ompuri ji. Nandita Puri ji over here. So this was another surprise for you, ladies. Ma'am.
Hi. Yeah, can you see me? And can you hear me?
Yes.
Lovely.
Yes.
Lovely. And today is International Handloom Day. And I'm wearing something handloom. It is handmade cotton, but this is an Indonesian print. Okay. But very much handloom, very much cotton. I know whether you can see me. And I really want to wish everyone super handloom day. I'm always there for women entrepreneurs. We and Choitali and y'all are doing a fabulous job, especially in these times of COVID, which I've been telling you guys, the best thing is to do online. And you have been doing fabulous job. And God bless all of you, and God bless all the entrepreneurs, the women entrepreneurs, and the men who are helping the women, and do very, very well. Choitali, who is your next participant?
Left couple of more participants. Thank you, ma'am, for coming. And
not at all.
She's always there with me. Whenever
I'm always there with you. I'm always there for all the wonderful work you're doing. Seriously, you're getting all the women together. And today especially is a very, very special day. So, and we all have to help our weavers, our craftsmen. And India has fabulous amount of khadi, fabulous amount of handlooms, fabulous amount of artisans and weavers. And Ompuri Foundation is always with the artisans and weavers. And so is we. And I'm really, really encouraging all of you to do more and more. so that we forget all the synthetic stuff.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. So if you have time, so be there for a couple of minutes.
I will.
So next, I would like to invite Sushma, Sushma from Shambhavi Saris, Sushma Afzalpurkar. Sushma, can we see you, please?
Hello everyone.
Hi Sushma, how are you?
Well, I'm fine. How are you, Chaitali?
Yes, we are fine. Nice to see you. And extremely sorry to hear about your mom. I'm very sorry. So,
Thank you.
yes, Sushma.
I'm Aditi, daughter of Sushma Afzalpurkar.
Oh,
She's
hi.
an entrepreneur of Shambhavi Silk Saris.
Okay.
We deal in saris, different saris, just like Gadwal pure silk saris, linen saris, Ajrak block print saris, itkat saris, dupattas, and cotton, South cotton saris and brocade saris. So let's move on to the products now. First sari is Gadwal pure silk handloom sari. It is a traditional Gadwal sari. As we can see, it's of pearl color. The body is pearl colored and has small golden buttas over it. And the pallu is rich with zari work all over it. And the main thing, the unique thing about this sari is that the body and the pallu and borders are woven separately and then they're combined together to make a whole sari. The next sari is Gadwal brocade sari. This sari has zari all over it from the body to the border and pallu. It is a very beautiful sari with very miniature threading all over it. We have different colors in this sari as well, very bright and vibrant colors. There are even different there are different patterns in Gadwal itself. This sari has no zari on the body part or the pallu or border. It is a plain sari but very beautiful color. And there are also Seco and cotton saris of Gadwal. The Seco pattern is like the pallu and the border is of pure silk. And the body part consists of one thread of silk and one thread of cotton. And this is how the whole sari is made. The second pattern is of Ajrak block print saris, which I am going to display you. ये अजरक ब्लॉक प्रिंट साड़ी है. इसमें जो अपर साइड जो रहता है, क्यों टकर अपर पार्ट इस साड़ी का जो रहता है ये प्योर वेस्को सिल्क रहता है और जो इनर साइड जो है ये प्योर कॉटन रहता है. इसे मोडाल सिल्क साड़ी बोलते हैं और ये सब नेचुरल वेजिटेबल कलर्स में डाई करते हैं. और जो इसमें जो प्रिंट है ये मेन हैंड ब्लॉक प्रिंटेड साड़ीज रहते हैं. इसमें छोटे छोटे ब्लॉक्स बनते हैं जिसपे एनग्रेविंग रहता है और इससे वो ये साड़ी ब्लॉक प्रिंट करवाते हैं. ये साड़ी वेट में थोड़ी सी हेवी रहते हैं लेकिन उसकी वजह से ये साड़ी का फॉल बहुत सुंदर आता है. बहुत अच्छी लगती है साड़ी पहनने के बाद. थर्ड पैटर्न में जो दिखा रही हूँ, इक्कत साड़ी, पोचमपल्ली साड़ी. ये कॉटन साड़ी है पोचमपल्ली. इसका जो कॉटन जो है वो हेवी कॉटन रहता है, थिक कॉटन है, थिक कॉटन रहता है. ये भी पहनने के बाद बहुत सुंदर दिखती है. इसमें अलग अलग वाइब्रेंट कलर्स भी आते हैं और व्हाइट पे तो ये बहुत ही सुंदर लगती है साड़ी. ये पल्लू है इक्कत साड़ी. मोडल सिल्क मैंने जो साड़ी का पैटर्न बताया था इसी में दुपट्टास भी है. ये दुपट्टा फुल लेंथ रहता है, 2.5 मीटर दुपट्टा रहता है. इसमें आप पैटर्न ड्रेस भी बना सकते हो, कुर्ती बना सकते हो या फिर एज अ दुपट्टा भी आप यूज कर सकते हो. जो मैंने अभी इक्कत पैटर्न दिखा, कोचमपल्ली पैटर्न दिखाया था, उसमें कॉटन और प्योर सिल्क में भी साड़ीज आती है. उसी में ये दुपट्टा भी है इक्कत साड़ी में. इक्कत में ये भी फुल लेंथ दुपट्टा है. इसमें भी वाइब्रेंट कलर्स आते हैं, पैरेट ग्रीन, पिंक, येलो. बहुत सुंदर लगते हैं ये कलर्स. फोर्थ पैटर्न जो है वो इल्कल साड़ीज। ये कर्नाटका की ट्रेडिशनल साड़ी है, ये भी प्योर हैंडलूम साड़ी है। ये पल्लू इसका स्पेशलिटी है, ये यहाँ का कर्नाटका का ट्रेडिशनल साड़ी है। ये पल्लू को टॉप पल्लू बोलते हैं और इसका बॉर्डर ऐसे ही रहता है। इसमें बहुत सुंदर सुंदर कॉम्बिनेशंस आते हैं। ये साउथ कॉटन साड़ी जो डेली वेयर के लिए भी आ सकती है या फिर फंक्शन, छोटे छोटे फंक्शंस में भी आप यूज कर सकते हैं। लेकिन ये पहनने के बाद अगर इस पे आप मिक्स एंड मैच करके अगर आप पहनते हो और हेवी ज्वेलरी डालते हो तो फिर ये साड़ी बहुत अच्छी लगती है। ये इक्कत गरबा रेशमी साड़ी बोलते हैं इसको। इसमें प्लेन में भी आते हैं साड़ीज और चेक्स में भी आते हैं। गरबा रेशमी मतलब इसमें प्योर सिल्क एंड प्योर कॉटन रहता है। ये प्योर कॉटन भी, प्योर कॉटन एंड प्योर सिल्क ऐसे मिक्स रहता है इसमें। इसी में ये चेक्स में भी ये पैटर्न है। गदवाल में एक पैटर्न दिखाना रह गया था, मीनाकारी वर्क, ये जस्ट मार्केट में इन हुआ है।
इसकी स्पेशलिटी ये है कि ये जो सारे डिजाइन है छोटे से बड़े जितना भी आप देख रहे हो सारे हैंड वूवन है, मीना वर्क बोलते हैं इसे। एंड ये अलग अलग कलर्स में आते हैं, लाइक ग्रीन, पिंक, एक ही बॉर्डर में आपको वैरायटी ऑफ कलर्स दिखेंगे यहाँ पे। दिस इज द स्पेशलिटी ऑफ दिस साड़ी। एंड मीनाकारी का एक और है कि इसके सारे कलर्स बहुत ही सुंदर एंड बहुत वाइब्रेंट कलर्स है।
ये सब पैटर्न्स में रखती हूँ। इसमें गदवाल हुआ, गदवाल, लिनन साड़ी, अजरक ब्लॉक प्रिंट साड़ी, साउथ कॉटन, लिनन आपको प्लेन में विथ बुट्टा वर्क और चेक्स में ऐसे अलग अलग पैटर्न्स में आएंगे। ऐसे एम्ब्रॉयडरी वर्क किया हुआ भी आपको मिलेगा। और हम लोग ये सब डायरेक्ट वीवर से लाते हैं। ये सभी हैंडलूम मटेरियल है, ये सब हम वीवर से लेके आते हैं। इसके लिए आप बहुत रिजनेबल रेट्स में आपको ये साड़ीज मिलेगी और जेन्युइन क्वालिटी रहेगी। मेरे जो हैंडलूम प्योर सिल्क के साड़ीज है वो 100% हैंडलूम ही रहते हैं। इवन इल्कल साड़ीज वो भी प्योर हैंडलूम साड़ीज है। थैंक यू।
Thank you. Beautiful sarees and very beautiful dupattas as well. I purchased from you. Very nice, very exclusive pieces you have. So next, I would like to welcome Sonia Gada. Sonia Gada from Mehman. And post that Anindita Banerjee from Nagpur. Please be ready. May I have Sonia?
Yeah,
Gada
hi.
online? Yeah, Mehman. Yes. Hi, Sonia.
Hi, Tali. I must thank you for giving my son this great platform. And this is the first time I've come because he was not free today. So he said that he has to thank Chaitali auntie for giving him such a platform and encouraging him so much. So, and very soon we are going to come on wweonline.com. So you can find Mehman at this platform. So today we are only going to show you some of our, we are into these baskets, which has come from Himachal Pradesh. See, gifting to someone now as the festivals are coming. So you can gift in these baskets, your hampers or something which you can just keep in your house. These are nicely decorated with an oval. These are totally handcrafted. You can see it. Made by the weavers in Himachal Pradesh. That's from Shram. We have different colors, which they have dyed, of course, to give a nice feeling to your baskets. You can see all these are not seen in your market. They're all handcrafted. Again, they have made some trays, which you can see, which again, you can keep a lot of nice hampers when you want to gift someone, as we use it for different kinds of pots. If you can see, these pots are also made by the local people. Some are from Pune, from Solapur. These are ceramics. Then we personalize it so that they also get, as this pottery is going out of, people are not buying pots, and it's becoming more of commercial. So you can just see these are more handcrafted. We also have these earthen pots, which you can see. Then they are Wali painted. We don't have much here today. It all got sold off because of Raksha Bandhan. But we all have a different kind of sizes, shapes, and we have black and white Wali painted. Now, what I wanted to show you one thing is we always talk about weavers, and that now we also need the ironsmith is going out of our kind of a future. They don't have anything except now they are coming up with grills and all. But now we have come up that these kind of pots which they make, we have taken them into our consideration and made different kinds. Now you can see we have just sold around 50, which has gone to Delhi, Aurangabad. New types of pots where you can just keep it for a decoration, or they have used it for Ganpati now. We are doing decoration where they are keeping flowers and all. This is a small pot, but now people keep a bigger pot and it adds as a showcase. This is all we have for now from Handcraft. You can always get in touch with Chaitali ma'am. And you can see all our products in weonline.com very soon. And that's it. Thank you so much. Thank you, Chaitali, and thank you all the entrepreneurs. Thank you.
Thank you, Sonia, so much. Lovely products, and every time you bring in something new, always something new and exclusive products you bring in. Very nice.
That's because of you. That's because of you.
It's because of Krish.
Thank you so much.
So next, I would welcome Anindita Banerjee from Nagpur. Can we have Anindita Banerjee from Nagpur? And
yes.
Kajal Dandwani, please be ready after Anindita.
Yes, Chaitali, thank you so much. Hi all.
Hello.
It's a Handloom Day. Enjoy and happy Handloom Day to all of you. Look, I am very new at this business. In just 1 year, I can't do much, but I am trying to. So now I am trying to show you my products. Actually, 1 minute.
You feel comfortable in it? You can.
This is a cotton thread tassel, and this is a oxidized. This is an oxidized peacock, and all these stones is from me. This is a jute earring. यहाँ इसके पीछे कार्डबोर्ड ही है, बट मैं अभी इसके बाद से मैं कार्डबोर्ड यूज करना छोड़ रही हूँ ताकि ये वॉशेबल हो जाए. तो मैं जस्ट ट्राई कर रही हूँ अभी. ये जो मटेरियल्स है मैं कोलकाता से ज्यादातर लाती हूँ, आप लोगों को मैं पहले भी बताई हूँ। ये टर्सल्स रेडीमेड है, ये टर्सल्स रेडीमेड है और ये बहुत सुंदर लगते हैं। इसके गोल्डन भी मिलते हैं, इसके गोल्डन भी मिल जाते हैं। मैं एक्चुअली बना नहीं पाई, मुझे कोई हेल्पर नहीं है यहाँ पे, मैं अकेली बना रही हूँ। ये जो मैं हाथ में पहनी हुई हूँ ये वाला आप देख सकते हो। इसके डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ अभी ज्यादा है नहीं मेरे पास, तो मैं ये आपको शो करूंगी। Then I have these jhumkas. One minute. ये इस साइड ग्लास बीड्स है और ये साइड बॉल चेन है, और ये पोर्शन इसको मैंने अटैच किया इसमें कलर और स्टोन लगा के, और ये है इसकी इयररिंग। ये फ्लावर जूड़ा है, ये फ्लावर जूड़ा जो है जो हम लोग के ड्रेस में, लेडीज के ड्रेस में जो पैड्स लगते हैं लाइक दिस, उसमें इसमें तो मैं ब्लैक यूज की हूँ, ये व्हाइट था तो इसमें मैंने ब्लैक कपड़ा लगा लिया है, और उसके बाद मैं पीछे नेट लगाती हूँ। काफी मिलता है, डोरी वाला मिलता है एंड ऑल दैट, लेकिन मैं इस टाइप का ऐसा या पतले वाले कोई भी नेट लगाती हूँ इसमें, जो कि ये आप जूड़ा में डायरेक्टली इसको पिन अप कर सको। ये एक ऑक्सीडाइज्ड चेन है, इसी का दूसरा है। ये चोकर और इसके इयररिंग्स है। ये इयररिंग्स हैं सारे। ये सारे मेरे हैंडमेड है, मेरा कोई हेल्पर नहीं है, मैं खुद बनाती हूँ। मैं बहुत छोटे से नागपुर के पास बहुत छोटे से जगह पे रहती हूँ, और यहाँ हेल्पर वगैरह मुझे मिलते ही नहीं है कोई भी। So thank you, Chaitali.
Thank you, Anindita. It's very beautiful.
Thank you so much.
You also have really beautiful products. Next, I would like to, you will also get her products, Anindita's products on v-online.com. So next we have Kajal Dandwani ji, who is into home decor. Kajal ji, can we please have you online? Kajal Dandwani from Angel Creations. So I think this is the last. Amisha, are you showing your products today?
No.
Okay. Fine. So I think Kajal ji is the last exhibitor. I hope I have not missed anybody else. And ladies and gentlemen, I have given one feedback form. I request you to please fill that form. You can, whatever products you like, whichever exhibit you want to contact, you can put in that feedback form. Okay. So Kajal ji, over to you. Kajal ji, can we have you? Kajal ji? Kajal ji, can we have you please? I think she was here and I've seen her. She has also, anyways, till she comes, so let me just, there are some people who are new to v-online.com. I'll give you 2 minutes. Before that, please fill up your forms, feedback forms. I'll give you 2 minutes for that. So can you all see my screen? Can everyone see the screen? Anybody can, switch on the, you can unmute and say.
Yes, we can.
Okay. So this is www-online-v-online.com, the portal, the e-commerce portal that we have. So you can see we are saying our motto is we grow together. So you can see the ladies, we are all growing together. When we meet together, we are all growing together. Okay. So if anybody wants to, this is the v-online store. This is our store, and if anybody wants to go log in as a, if you want to become a vendor, you can become a vendor from here. And if people who want to purchase, so these are the products: beauty, cosmetics, clothing. So whichever products you want to go, you can go. For example, since today is a handloom day, let us go with the clothing. So you can see a beautiful hand-painted Madhubani jute cotton jacket, for example. Now, suppose I click on this jacket. So let me see what it comes. Okay, this is the jacket, beautiful hand-painted Madhubani jute cotton, size given, the cost is also given. You can add to cart and then go ahead. So here also the related products. There are some related products over here. So let us go to the linen sari over here. So let me see what is this linen sari talks about. So when I go to this linen sari, so it is talking about what it is: exclusive pure handloom linen sari with booty work jari border both sides. So this 2,700 plus shipping. So you can add to cart and go ahead if you want. Okay. So similarly, you can see below, you can see chiffon, dupatta, resham sari. So there are related products over here. Now, suppose I want to go to jewelries. So those who are new, let me tell you, we have recently launched, so you will find the products are very less. Okay. So these are fabric jewelries, you can see. So I'm clicking on that fabric jewelry. So it is sharing about the details. The fabric pendant is made with pure cotton fabric, finished with metal pendant, small metal beads. The details are over here about the jewelry. You can add to cart and go ahead. So then down, you will find some related products as well. So let me go to this hand jewelry again. So this is the Bali painting on marble pendant with jute necklace wrapped with red color thread with marble earrings. Very beautiful. See, v-online.com has all the exclusive products. All products are exclusive. You will not get those products in any, in the various other platforms, because we have all exclusive products, and these products are from our own women entrepreneurs. So suppose we go, this is heritage look necklace set. So the details are here. There are varieties. So I will not take much of your time. So girls, anything you want to know, please I'm always available, as you know. You can anytime, you can call me, you can WhatsApp me, you can message me. And I hope you have finished up with this form. So before we close, I would request all of you to please switch on your video so that we can have our V picture. Madhumita, I can see your fan. If you can, I can see you. Anybody else who had registered but didn't get chance to speak? I hope everybody is done today. So we had very limited registrations today. Shweta, Prabha, please, yeah. Seema, please, we want to see you. Shabani Palit, Gohar, Ashu, Priyanka, Ruchi. Ashu is a new person, new member with us. Kavita Sachdev, Saroj Khanna from Pune. We would like to see you. Please switch on your videos, and so that I can take your pictures. Shweta, Gohar, Shweta Prabha. Hi Sarojji, how are you? You can unmute.
Hi Chaitali ma'am.
Oh hi, I just saw Thomas. It's written Thomas. I couldn't.
No,
How are you, Krish? Our youngest entrepreneur
I'm
in
fine.
the
How are
group.
you?
Okay, so let's have our V pick. This is W. Those who are new, this is W. Gohar, can you please switch on your video? Shweta Prabha from Pune, please switch on your video. Ruchi. Ashu, Shabani, please switch on your video. Let's have this. Sushma ji. Sushma ji, we want you to do this. W. Yes. Ready? Okay, one more. Madhumita ji, please do W. W,
Can you
W.
see?
Yes, please do W, W. Ready, Rakhi? Ready? So thank you so much, each of you, for your time. I hope you have filled up the feedback form. So very soon we will have some new event. So this time we will be having for our trainers and people from the service industry, because they said back to back you had event for the product. So now we will have event for trainers and service industry in maybe in the August end or first week of September. But I would request all of you to please be there, because a lot of learnings we have every day and every time when we come to new people. And of course, we'll have some corporate guests as well. Thank you so much, each of you. Thanks a lot. Anybody wants to say anything?
Thank you, Chaitali.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Chaitali.
Thank you, Chaitali. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Chaitali. It was a wonderful experience for me from Melbourne. And you all ladies are doing very good, fantastic. And it's lovely to meet you all. Sorry?
Let me introduce you. Formally, see, she has come all the way from Melbourne to see all of you. Ladies, you first, you thank her. She's thanking us, but you should thank her.
No, Chaitali. Yeah, it was a wonderful experience for me. Thank you all, ladies. You're doing amazing job. I always love supporting women, and that is how even I'm standing here with all the women around me supporting me for my business. So thank you once again, Chaitali, for giving this opportunity. It was accidentally I just saw this platform today, and first of all, I like to wish you all Handloom Day, the National Handloom Day, each one of you. Yeah, take care and stay safe during this COVID time. Yeah, stay
Why
safe.
don't you introduce yourself? What
Bye.
you do? You are also into handloom, right?
Yeah. Actually, the background is we come from a weaving family back in Mysore and Bangalore. That's the place I come from, and been got married off and then living here in Melbourne for more than 10 years now. And we do have business background as a retailer, but many of our relatives are all weavers. So that is where it comes through the blood, I can say, that we have to support each other to keep moving forward. Thank you all once again, Chaitali, and you all lovely ladies there. Hats off to you.
Thank you so much for coming. Thanks
Take
a lot.
care. No problem. My
Bye-bye.
pleasure. Take
Thank
care.
you,
Bye.
everybody. Thanks.
Thanks a lot, Chaitali.
Thank you, Shimul. Thanks a lot.
Bye. Looking forward for more such kind of events.
Yes, we will have. We will definitely have. Yes.
Bye, everyone.
Yeah, bye.
Thank you, Chaitali.
Thank you, Kavita ji. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Chaitali.
Thanks, Priyanka.
Bye.
Thank you, Chaitali.
Thank you, Sarmishta.
Thank you, Chaitali.
Thanks, Rakhi. Bye.
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 Chaitali,
Yes, Sanskriti.
hi. Thank you so much for this platform one more time.
Thank you. Thank you. Wonderfully presented, Sanskriti, today.
Thank you. This time I have prepared. That's why. Thank you so much, dear. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye. Thanks.
Bye bye.
Chalo, bye Chaitali.
Bye Amisha. Thank you for attending.
Bye Chaitali. Bye. Thank.
Bye Anu.
আচ্ছা আমি বেরিয়ে যাবো কি করে?